ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन् ऋलृक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमङणनं जभै घढधश् जबगढधश् खफछठथ छटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां थालु ऋटुरशानां ऊर्ध्वा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ओष्ठौ
न्यमाङ्गनानाम् नासिका च
न्यमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्त्ययनं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे भिगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे साधरम्
रामो मे भिगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया राम मां पालय
सु औजस
ओजस
औक्षस
औषस
ताभ्याम भिस
ताभ्यां भिस्
ङेभ्याम भिस
नेभ्याभ्यस्
ङसीभ्याम भिस
नसीभ्याभ्यस्
ङस ओस आम
नस्
ओस् आम्
नी ओस सुप
नी
ओस् सुप्
सु औजस
सु औजस्
तिप तस जी
तिप्
तस् जी
सिप थस थ
सिप्
सिप्
थस्
हस्त
थ
मिप वस मस
मिप् वस् मस्
त आताम झ
त आताम् झ
थास आथाम ध्वम
थास् आथाम् ध्वम्
इट वही मगिंग
इत् वहि
वहि
महिन्
तीतः अन्ति
हीतः
अन्तः
अन्ति
अन्ति
सीतः थ
सीतः
थः
थ
थ
मी वह मह
मि वः
वः
मः
मः
ते हिते अन्ते
ते
इते
इते
अन्ते
अन्ते
से इथे द्वे
से इते द्वे
ये वहे महे
ये वहे महे
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि
भवतः
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 भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवावः
भवावः
भवामः
लभते लभेथे लभन्ते
लभते लभेते
लभेते
लभन्ते
लभन्ते
लभसे लभेथे लभद्वे
लभसे लभेते लभन्ते
लभेन्द्वे
लभये लभावहे लभामहे
लभे
लभे लभामहे लभामहे
लभामहे
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
कुरुथ
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाथे कुर्द्वे
कुरुषे कुर्वाते त्वे
कुरुद्वे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
तूताम् अन्तु
तूताम् अन्तु
तं त
तं त
आनी आव आव
आनि आव आम
आम
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
स्व इथाम् ध्वम्
स्व इथाम् त्वम्
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ
आवहै
आमहै
भवतु भवताम् भवन्तु
भवतु
भवतां
भवताम् भवन्तु
भव भवतं भवथ
भव भवतं भवत
Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama.
Bhavani, Bhavava, Vama.
Labhatam, Labhetam, Labhantam.
Labhatam, Labhetam, Labhantam.
Labhasva, Labhetam, Labadhvam.
Labhasva, Labhetam, Labadhvam.
Labhai, Labhavahai, Labhamahai.
Labhai, Labhavahai, Labhamahai.
Karotu, Kurutam, Kurvantu.
Karotu, Kurutam, Kurvantu.
Kurutam, Kurutha.
Kurutam, Kurutha.
Karavani, Karavava, Karavama.
Karavani, Karavava, Karavama.
Kurutam, Kurvatam, Kurvatam.
Kurutam, Kurvatam, Kurvatam.
Kurushva, Kurvatam, Kurudvam.
Kurushva, Kurvatam, Kurudvam.
Karavai, Karavavahai, Karavamahai.
Karavai, Karavavahai, Karavamahai.
You'll read just this. I just Sandhi, just to recollect and also to know where we stop, Sandhi, the topic. So if I know where we stopped, so we can learn some new Sandhi also. Each class one Sandhi rules. Yeah, please one of you can read.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. When up is followed by Swarna Ak, the last letter of Purva Padam and the first letter of Par Padam, both will be replaced by Savarna Dirgha.
So this Sandhi, the base first Sandhi,
Yeah.
I think we saw.
Yes.
Yeah, next
Sandhi.
one. Next person.
Yan Sandhi. When ik is followed by a savarna ach, ik of the purva pada will be replaced by the corresponding yan letter.
Example, you can read. Yeah.
For example, api plus arthaha, apyarthaha.
We understand the rules, right?
Yes.
Dirgha Sandhi,
Yes.
Yan Sandhi.
Yes.
That I'm not going to explain because we have done a
Yes.
lot of exercises also. So just reading only. Yes. Next person.
When or I is followed by a
We
savarna
can
ik.
say this or we can just say avarna, right?
Yes.
Avarna means akara or akara. Okay.
Yes. When or a or avarna is followed by a savarna ak, that is ik, then both the letters will be replaced by a single corresponding guna letter. For example, adya plus iti, adyeti.
What are the guna letters?
A, O, or O.
No?
A, O, ar, al.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, yes. A, O,
A,
or
A,
al.
O.
O,
Then we
or
can
al.
include ar as well as al.
Yes.
Then vriddhi sandhi. Next person.
When avarna is followed by h, then both the letters will be replaced by a single corresponding vriddhi letter. Example, adya plus echat, adyachat, adyachat.
Adya plus aichat.
Aichat, adyachat.
Adyachat. What are the vriddhi letters?
A, I.
No.
O.
A,
I, O.
I,
I,
O,
R,
R,
al.
all. This when you this when Rikara also is replaced by, then you get R, Repa is appended. Okay, R and R also. We have seen. Next one, Ayadi Sandhi. This person can read. Akanksha, you read.
Ji Guruji. When H is followed by Ach, H will be replaced by Ayavayavaha.
Meaning,
Ayavayaha are the letters.
A
Guruji.
will be replaced by
I. O will be replaced by Av. I will be replaced by I. And Au will be replaced by Av.
right. Next one.
For
Purva Rupa Sandhi. When Padanta Ain is followed by Haswa A, then Purva Rupa will be replaced both. Example, Te plus Atra, Te Atra,
Tetra.
Tetra, Tetra.
What is the connection between Purva Rupa Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi?
A or O must be there.
Purva Rupa is Apavada.
Apavada.
Important.
Yes.
Purva Rupa Sandhi is
Apavada.
Apavada to
Ayadi.
Ayadi.
when
Ayadi
here
Sandhi.
Te plus Atra here, when Ayadi Sandhi is also applicable, Purva Rupa Sandhi also applicable. Which
Then
one you will
Purva Rupa
apply?
Sandhi only.
Purva Rupa.
That is by Apavada.
Yes.
When two rules are applicable, then that rule which overrules the other, it is called Apavada. Okay. So note this important. You cannot apply Ayadi Sandhi, Purva Rupa. The condition is Padanta. Here Pada is no Padanta condition, right?
Yes.
And here it is H. And here it is Yang. And Yang is a subset of H, right? Okay. This document may not cover all the Sandhi rules. This is because this is Sandhi rules, summary, Sandhi rules number 1, version 1. Next one is version 2, user we will see. Then rules related to Vyanjanam and Visarga. Continue, please read.
Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Refa, room.
Repa means there is a room, right?
Room.
You know.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Example, Ramasa is equal to Rama.
We can say Ramaru. Ramaru. That
Plus
who is it letter, therefore Rama, right?
Rama. Yes.
Yes, continue.
Refa will be replaced by Visarga either when followed by Khar or at the Avsana.
Avasana.
Avsana.
What is Avasana?
Full stop.
Yeah.
Avsana is
Pause.
a full stop. Pause.
Avasana is Viramaha. Pause. Okay.
Ramaha plus Khadati is equal to Ramaha Khadati.
Ramakadati. Ramakadati. It's okay. Ramakadati. How many letters are there in Khar? Pratyahara.
Khar.
Khar.
Khar, Fa,
13. I taught you all the numbers.
Yes. Yeah.
Cha, ta, ta. Right?
Cha,
What are the?
ta, Papai, cha,
Cha, ta, ta,
Sa.
kha, cha, ta, ta, pa.
cha, ta,
Then
Cha, ta, ta, ka, pa,
Kacha.
cha, ta, ta,
Ta.
pa,
Kappa.
pa.
ta,
Sa.
ta.
Sha.
How many letters are there? Total?
13.
13. The number 13 we saw. What are the letters? Further rules, Sandhi rules will apply, and
Yes.
no, we have seen this.
Yes.
13 letters are there, right? Okay. Visarga, now Visarga is born. Here Visarga is born, the Repa. Repa could be any Repa, whether room Repa or it is Swabhavika Repa, natural Repa. Remember?
Yes.
2 types of Repa we discussed. Here we can note this. This Repa is Sakarasthanika Repa. This is what type of Repa is that? This room is Sakara Sthanika Repa. Meaning Repa, which has come in the place of
Sakara.
Sakara. That is the room. And here Repa is any Repa.
Swabhavik.
No, not Swabhavika. Need not be
Both.
Swabhavika. Is it Swabhavika Ramar here?
Yeah.
Here Ramar is just come from room. It is to be any
Mhm.
Repa.
Hmm.
Here Repa, what I mean is, it is Swabhavika Repa Hava, Sakara Sthanika Repa Hava, anything.
Hmm.
Sakara Sthanika Repaha, or it could be anything. Repaha or Swabhavika.
Swabhavik.
It could be anything, right?
Hmm.
That any Repa, that's why Repa is just written. Will be replaced by Visarga, when either when followed by Kar or at the Avasana. Understand?
Yeah.
Then Visarga when followed by Kar. Please read.
Visarga when followed by khar except ka, kha, pa, pha will be replaced by sakara. For example, Ramaha plus chalati, Ramas chalati.
Can we stop the Sandhi here?
No,
No.
Shutvam will apply.
Later, because we did, you know the sequence. I told you, remember, what is that?
Right from the beginning, Guruji.
No, here, Ramas chalati, we should not stop. Why?
Because Shutvam will apply. So after
No, yeah,
Shatvam-
Shuttam applies. The sequence of rules to be applied. No,
yes.
I remember I would have told that this is in
Sattvam.
Sattvam, Dashwantvam.
okay. Be not here. Tripadi, the Ashtadhyayi. Okay, fine. The 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4. That's why number I have written here. Not relevant now for us. Just for why I written number is this is Sutra. Sutra in the third column and fourth column as numbers. Once you start applying 8, 2, right? 8 to something, whatever it is, right? Then you have to apply the rules in sequence. That's why you can see 8 to 66, 8 3 15 in ascending order. You will see, right? You have to apply till the 8 4 end, because only 8 chapters are. That's why it's called Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is the name of the grammar work by Pandit Maharshi. Ashta means 8 Adhyaya chapters, 8 chapters. The book consists of 8 chapters, and each chapter has got 4 sections. Therefore, maximum 4, 8.4, not 8.5. Okay, we don't have 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. 8th chapter, 3rd section, 34th sutra, right? Once you started applying 8.2, then 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 up to end. You cannot go back. Of course, there are exceptions. That is different. That is why sequence of rules. After that, Shuttam we apply. Anyway, I taught you the sequence. That's fine. If you either remember that or the number. That's why number I have given here. Once we started applying 8.2, then 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, the sequence we have to follow. The last 3 sections is called Tripadi. Pada means sections. Collection of 3 sections is called Tripadi. It's a word, it's a compound. Okay, samasa. Anyway, we'll see that later. Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samahara Ashtadhyayi. Similarly, Trayanam Padanam Samahara, a collection of 3 sections, is called Tripadi. Because once we started applying the Tripadi, then we have to apply the rules in sequence. That is the idea. That is why after this Sakara, we have to apply Shuttam. Okay. So this is to start with. After that, some more rules are inserted in between. That is version 2. I think we have done many sutras from that also. Anyway, just this is a recollection. Okay. Next one, please read number 10.
Visarga followed by shar will be optionally replaced by sakara. Example, Ramaha Shete is equals to Ramaha Shete, or Ramaha Shete, Ramasya Shete.
Ramas Shete.
Ramas Shete.
Can we stop here?
Huh?
Can we stop here? Ramas Shete. Not stop the class, okay?
No, no, no.
Sandhi I'm asking.
Further,
I'm asking about
further,
Sandhi.
yeah, about further Sandhi.
Against
yes,
Chutvam can be applied.
Against Chuttam you have to
Against
apply.
Chutvam.
You
because
cannot stop here. Huh? You have to
Yes.
apply Chutta Sandhi.
Mhm.
Okay, I have to be very particular. Can we stop here? Means you're asking about
No.
the class? Huh?
No, no, no. Of
Just
course.
now started class. Huh? Okay.
No, not it.
Okay.
Uh,
Then please continue.
Visarga followed by pa, fa, or ka, kha.
No, you read properly. Pa,
Ka,
ka,
pa,
ka,
pa,
ka. Not ka, ka. Ka, ka, Mahaprana. Right? Okay.
Ka, kha.
Continue.
Visarga will be retained. Example, Ramaha plus Pathati is equals to Ramaha Pathati.
So Visarga will not be replaced by what?
Sakara.
Because you see, Sakara. Here what did we say? Visarga followed by Khar.
Khar
right?
letter. Yes.
And here Pa, Ka, Kha are Khar letters. But what happened? Visarga will not be replaced by Sakara. That is why within bracket I have written except the 4. Why except the 4? Because here Visarga will be retained. The 11th point. That's one to Sandhi rule. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Guruji,
Yeah.
I had a question between number 9 and number 10. So when Visarga is followed by Shar, Sir, then optionally only we can.
Yes. Shar is a subset of Kar. Among the Kar letter, if Shar letter follows, the replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. That is by 2 forms.
Okay.
Whereas here in this case, Visarga is retained is exception, Apavada. Sometimes there is exception, sometimes there is Apavada, right? So in this case, it is followed by Pa, Kha, Ka, Kha, Visarga will be retained, will not be replaced by Sakara. If it is followed by Shar letter, Shar is a subset of Kar. Then Sakara, the replacement by Sakara is optional. That's why 2 forms.
Okay.
Once you replace by Sakara, after that you have to continue applying the rules till the end. Shuttam, etc. you have to apply. Okay. So Shar is Sha, Sha, Sa, 3 letters. And Pa, Pa, Kha, Kha, 4, 3 plus 4, 7. Among the 13 letters, remove this 7. What will be, how many will be left out? 6. What will happen this to 6 letter when it followed by, when it is preceded by, Visarga? Sakara will come. Simple. Sakara is a must. That is what it means. Understand?
Yes.
Among the 13 Kar letters, the 4 Kar letters is removed. Because when this comes, Visarga will not be replaced by Sakara. And Shar letter comes, Shar consisting of 3 letters. What are they? Sha, Sha, Sa. When they come, replacement Visarga is optional. Therefore, 4 plus 3 is 7. Among the 13, remove the 7. How many left out? 6. What are the 6? What are the 6? Tha, Tha, then Pa. That's not Pa. Ta, Tha, Cha, Ta, Ta.
Sa, Sha, Sa.
That's it.
Oh,
Now don't include that.
Cha, Tha, Tha, and
Cha, Ta, and this Cha, Ta, Ta. Right. When this Kar letter, any of the Kar letter follows, Visarga will be replaced by
Sakara.
That's it. It's a must. That's what it amounts to, right? Finally.
Yes.
All these things we have learned, right?
Yes.
Not, I mean, it is understood. Here it is not, everything cannot be written, but you can notice. But we have seen written in our notes. You can see there. Among the 13 letters, there's four letters. When these 4 letters follow, Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. The 4 letters are Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa. When the Shar letter follows, Shar meaning Shakara, Shakara, Sakara. Pratyahara is important. Every time you should not refer the Mahakeshwar Sutra. You should tell from your memory. Okay. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So once 7 letters are removed from this, how many would be there?
6.
6. What are the 6 letters? This
Chatata,
Chatata and
Chatata.
Chatata. Right?
Yes, correct.
That's what really happens actually here.
Hmm.
So Visarga followed by Kar replaced by Sakara is, it happens mandatorily for when these 6 letters follow. Chatata and this
Chatata.
Chatata. You can write, if you want to note down, you can write it. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So Guruji, then you send the whole thing, no? So we can write that.
But the whole thing, this, I think you must be having this
Yes,
anyway. I'll
I
send you
have.
again. Okay.
Yeah, we have.
But this is not the final one. Next one, I think you have done. I taught you. Next,
Hmm.
this is version 1 and version 2 also. Slowly, every year I have had it many. Up to 8 versions are there. I mean, 8, what do you call, documents, and every document you will have some additions. Some
Yes.
Sandhi, new Sandhis. Okay, continue. Next, number 11B.
B. Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visargaha Upadhamaniya when followed by Pa or Fa. Ardha Visarga will take the sound of Upadhamaniya.
Padmaniyam. What is this? What does it mean?
Upadhamaniya.
Sorry. Here it is given Ramaha Patati. What is, how do you pronounce this Visarga? Either you can say Ramaha Patati or Ramah Patati. Ramah Patati. Okay.
Ramah Patati. Okay. Ramah Patati.
Ramah Patati. Ardha Visarga. Of Visarga. Of Visarga, you know how it is written. Right?
Yes. Yes.
The Visarga, they continue.
Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga Jikhva Mulyaha when followed by Ka or Kha. Ardha Visarga will take the sound of Jikhva Mulyam.
Okay.
Visarga preceded
This
by
is, please note. Visarga will be, this is Ardha Visarga, take the, so this is optional. Okay. That's why you can say Ramaha Patati, Ramaha Khadati. Here, okay, let me write the same example. Upadmaniya. Ramaha, this is Ramaha Patati is 1. This is Ramaha Patati becomes Ardha Visarga. It's difficult to write, so I will write like this. You need to understand. This is Ardha Visarga. Okay, Upadmaniya. Then this is one. This is form 1, first form. Ramaha, Ramah Patati. Second one, Ramaha Patati. This is by this rule. Visarga will be retained. So this is by just 2 forms. Either Ramaha Patati or Ramah Patati. Ramah Patati by this rule. Ramaha Patati by when Visarga is followed by Kar letter. I mean this Karavasana, Kar letter, Karavasana. In the play here it was Repa. Repa will be replaced by Visarga. That's what we have seen before.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the one, right? Okay, here also I will write the same example. Ramaha plus same example so that you can understand. Patati is equal to Patati. So Ramaha Patati, as we got here. This is one. The same thing I've written here. So Ramaha Patati, Ramah Patati. Similarly here also. It is Ramaha, Ramakhadati, or
Khadati.
Ramaha,
Ramaha
Patati.
khadati.
Adati.
understand?
Yes, Guru.
So we have two forms here. Okay. Next person, please read.
Visarga preceded by a and followed by a will be replaced by u. Guna and Purva Rupa Sandhi will happen. Ataha plus ataha, atotaha.
You know this, right? We have
Yes.
seen this.
Uttvam.
Yes.
It's called Uttva. Visarga will be replaced by U.
U.
Then after that, here A plus U will become
Guna Sandhi. O.
Guna.
Guna
Ato.
sandhi.
Ato ataha. Then O plus A. What rule?
Purva Rupa.
Ayadi.
Purva Pasand.
Purva
Not Ayadi. Apavada.
Sorry. Purva apavada.
It is Purva Pasandi. So this is, you can see the sequence, right?
Hmm.
So this is how it is. Finally, Ato taha it happens. Next one. Yeah, continue, Akash, you can
Yes.
read.
Yes. Visarga preceded by a and followed by hush. U and Guna will happen. For example, ataha plus gataha. Ata u gataha. Ato gataha.
Ato gataha, right?
Hmm.
What are the hush letters?
Hushed will be sibilants.
No.
I mean, sorry, only her. Semi-vowels.
Soft consonant, simple.
Soft con.
Kar,
Yes.
hard consonants.
Correct.
Hush, soft consonants. I hope all of you remember, no? These, don't forget the
Yes,
pratyahara
yes.
sandhis. no?
Yes. Correct.
So this is called Utta Sandhi. Name is Utta Sandhi.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Then Visarga preceded by a and followed by ach
Hush.
Other
other
than,
than a.
why? Because A is already covered.
Ah.
Again, if I say A, then the same thing will happen. Therefore, other than A.
Yeah.
Other than A means A,
Except.
E, U. Even A also you have to include. Okay, other than A means what? Not Rasvakara.
Yes.
That's why I given the example A. Okay. Now, then what will happen?
Replace this we have not.
Visarga will be replaced by Yakara.
Yeah.
Ramai Agachati, right? And what will happen to the Yakara, we know.
No, Guruji, we've not seen this.
We have not seen because
What?
in the note.
We have not seen rule number 14, Guruji.
Oh, this one we have not seen. Okay.
No,
Yes.
Oh, fine. That is what we are going to see then today. Okay, right. Fine. So we'll see that.
Okay.
14 we have not seen. Yes. Okay.
No.
So Utta Sandhi we have done, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now read the rule again. One more time. Visarga.
Visarga preceded by a and followed by ach other than rasva a.
Other than, right? In that case, what will happen?
It is replaced by yakara.
Replaced by Yakara. Okay. So remember that. I'll give some examples and we will see now. See, this is document we must be having. This is our class document.
Yes.
13 color letters, everything you have done.
Yes.
Yes.
And I gave the homework long back also. I think you have seen. Okay, fine.
Yes. We have done.
We have done. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, this is, let me call it is Yakara Adesha Sandhi. This is just I'm giving the name. I'm giving the name now. Okay. This is not something planned. Yakara Adesha. Yakara comes. Ramaha plus Agachata. Please see what will happen here. Ramaha plus Agachata.
Will be
You have to
Uttva.
see. Okay, before that, let me give an introduction here. See, Visarga, little confusing, but pay attention about changes to Visarga when preceded and succeeded by H. This is a topic, okay? We have seen changes happening to Visarga followed by consonants, right? Followed by soft consonants, followed by hard consonants, etc. Visarga replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar letter. We have seen, right?
Yes.
Now the topic is changes to Visarga when followed by H. Not followed or preceded by anything. Okay.
Is in
Please
contact
follow.
with.
Not okay, you can say contact, but we don't use the word contact because contact is more technical. Preceded and succeeded by H. I'm just writing the possibility, different possibility. So number one, first possibility. Please see, Visarga preceded by 1 minute. Visarga preceded by Rasva, followed by Rasva, right? In that case, Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. Understand, all of you? We have seen this.
Yes.
That's good.
Number two. Visarga preceded by A, followed by
Hush.
followed by, let's say, H, other than minus A. Because this A is already covered here.
Yes.
You follow? Minus, that's why minus A. This is minus A. Then it will be Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Succeeded by H.
In these two cases, Visarga is preceded by what letter? Akara, Rasvakara. So Rasvakara, first case, Rasvakara precedes, Rasvakara follows. Therefore, Visarga is replaced. In fact, it is not Visarga. What was it in the place of Visarga? We know it. What has become Visarga?
Repa.
Repa. What Repa? Roon Repa.
Room.
In fact, technically it is Roon only. Okay. It is only Roon has become Repa. Not any other Repa. It is, why I say Visarga is, because Visarga, Repa, at the end of the Padam, it will become Visarga. That's why Visarga we say. But actually it is Room. You can understand it is Room. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, good.
Because see, when you say Ramaha Agachata, that's the example I give, right? Visarga, how does Visarga come? In the beginning it was Sakara. Sakara replaced by Ru. Ru is nothing but a Repa. And that Repa now at the end of the Padam, therefore Visarga. After that we do Sandhi, Ramaha plus Agachat. Another word comes, right? Then we do Sandhi. Then we say Visarga, we talk about that. But actually what was there here? Ru only. But here we take Ru at the end of the Padam. Yes, at the end of the Padam, Repa, that becomes Visarga. Now another Padam has come, it's going to be added. Then it is the Ru also, that is the Repa will undergo change. Not Repa really, it is Ru. Right? That's why I written Ru. What's the problem? No, right? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. I hope it's clear, all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
So Ru preceded by A, followed by A. Ru will be replaced by U. Ru, and here also, Ru preceded by A, followed by H minus A. Minus a meaning
Other than.
onwards.
Other
A,
than.
E, U, up to last letter of the vowels. Right? Up to au. Yakar. Now, what will happen if it is preceded by a, room preceded by a, followed by a.
Utva Sandhya only.
That all, in that case, what will happen? Ru will be replaced by
Oh.
not ru, yakara.
Ah.
Similarly, ru preceded by a, followed by ach minus a. That is a, etc. Then what will happen? Then also ru will be replaced by
Yakara.
yeah. Therefore, this is not required. So I can put like this. Ru preceded by a when followed by any vowel. Understand? Then ru will be replaced by
Yakara. Yakara.
understand?
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Here, these two is specific. Ru preceded by a, followed by a, ru preceded by a, followed by any ach, then yakara. Whereas here, ru preceded by a, followed by any vowel, ru will be replaced by yakara.
Yes.
Only this thing you have to remember. Suppose if any other vowel comes, it's in the case of other than avarna, a or a. Suppose if it is e, I'm just taking e or u or r, whatever it is, right? A, I, O, anything you take. Let us say, for example, e, then ru, then ach. Then what will happen to this ru, the repa?
Yakara. It will be replaced by
No.
Yakara.
It will remain as it is. No, nothing happens. Ru is nothing but repa will remain as it is. Nothing happens. Therefore, we don't read any rule for this because no changes happens. Ru is nothing but repa. Repa continues to be repa only. Therefore, there's no such. We don't need rule for that, right? Only where changes happen, there we need rules, right? So if ru is preceded by any other vowel means any other vowel than this avarna, then only we have to. Any other. Any vowel other than avarna. Any vowel other than avarna, nothing happens. If avarna precedes, then we have to be alert. We have to watch for the succeeding letters and apply the rules. If avarna precedes, not follows, okay, precedes. I think I said follow. If avarna precedes, you have to be alert. If any other vowel precedes, then we don't have to worry because no rule, just a rule is nothing but repa. Repa will remain as it is. No changes happen. Okay, understand?
Yes.
When ru is preceded by avarna, then only
Change.
some changes will apply. You have to be alert. You have to watch for the preceding letter. If the preceding letter is avarna, then you have to be alert. Then watch for the succeeding letter. If succeeding letter is a, the ru will be replaced by u. The succeeding letter is other than a, replaced by yakara. If succeeding letter here, preceding letter is a and succeeding letter is ach, then replaced by yakara. If any other vowel followed by any other vowel, nothing happens.
Then it will nothing happen.
Suppose e, ru, then e. Ru is nothing but repa. Repa will remain as it is. No changes. Suppose similarly u, followed by u, or e, whatever it is. No changes. Understand? So these 3 points you need to note. Understand?
Yes.
Now, here we can extend this. Changes when preceded by, you see, I'm going to make modifications now. Preceded by, please watch carefully, preceded by a or a and succeeded by hash. What are ash letters?
Soft consonant.
Soft consonant. Don't
consonant.
forget. Okay.
Yes.
Now, just to copy pasting here. After, see, I'm explaining this. After that, I will make it to one. Okay. I'll remove this.
Okay.
Follow. Then, followed by what letter? Hush.
Hush.
So I
Hush
change
letter.
everything to hush.
Hmm.
Room preceded by a, followed by hush. Who will be replaced by?
Ooh.
Who?
That we have seen.
Yes.
Yes or no? Done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And here, second case, that doesn't apply.
Yes.
Remove that.
Hmm.
Because same, right? Same thing is
Hmm.
repeated. Now, room preceded by followed by ash.
Hmm.
Then room will be replaced by yakara.
Yakara.
Understand?
Hmm.
So how many rules are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Five.
5.
5 are there, right?
Hmm.
Now, instead of having 5, we can reduce that number. How? First one, we cannot reduce it. Let it be as it is.
Hmm.
What about the second one? Second
Oh,
one, we can say room preceded by a, followed by ach minus a, and here it is ash. Adesh.
or hush.
Sorry, here also you cannot reduce it. Sorry, Kshmita. Here also you cannot reduce. Therefore, this also I cut it and paste it here. This is number 2. This we cannot cut because this is specifically ash, soft consonant utvadesh.
Hmm.
Now, next one you take. Number 2 here. In all the 3, that is, this is 2, this 3, the 5. In all these 3 cases, what is the adesha? Yakara is the adesha.
Right.
Yakara is the adesha.
Adesh.
And here it is a and a is, so a is common.
Or
So
a.
let us make it a or a.
Hmm.
Please watch. Followed, preceded by avarna, a or a, followed by the vowels and
Hush.
or ash,
Hush letter.
or ash.
Hmm.
So ash plus
Hush.
ash. This also may I remove it because this possibility is already covered, therefore not required. Ash plus ash is equal to ash only. Ash is all the vowels, and hush is soft consonants,
Hmm.
Hush.
right?
Hmm.
Therefore, what
Yes.
is the pratyahara? We have ash
Hush.
because
Ash.
ash covers all the vowels and all the
Letters
soft
and the
consonants.
soft consonants.
So now you see all the 5 rules. 5 rules is reduced to now 3.
Hmm.
Visarga when preceded by a, followed by a, it will be replaced by ukara. We know it. Visarga, that is room. Visarga, room, whatever it is. Preceded by ha, followed by soft consonants, it will be replaced by ukara. Then room preceded by avarna,
Or a.
akara or
Or
akara, followed by vowel or
Ash.
soft consonants, it will be replaced by yakara.
Yakara.
Is it clear? Made into
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Now, here only you may have doubt. The last third one, you have to note because suppose if I give this combination, you have to be careful. Here, preceded by a, followed by a. This possibility is covered here or not?
It
Yes.
is.
Yes.
Yes.
Because this a is a part of hush.
Ash letter.
But already I have stated here,
Yes.
it will be replaced by
Ooh.
oo.
Ooh.
So that is taken out. You cannot apply this. You cannot apply yakara. Therefore, it will be replaced by ukara only.
Oh.
That is why I stated that as first rule. Understand?
Yes.
Now, similarly, a you take it. Oh, okay. Let us take it a itself. That is akara
Hush.
precedes and followed by ash.
Hush.
Then also it will be replaced by
Oh.
ukara. That is also stated. The second rule, right? So
Hmm.
that possibility which is here, that also you have to take it out.
Yeah.
Whatever the left out possibilities, in that case only yakara will come.
Only
Understand?
yakara will come.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, what are the left out possibilities? Ru preceded by a, followed by a, it will be replaced by yakara. How many
Yakara.
possibilities are? So many are there,
Oh,
right?
Yes.
Right, please watch here. Ru preceded by a, followed by a. You tell me what will happen. Let me write, type your answer. Ru preceded by a, followed by a. What will be
Yakara.
the adesha in the place of room?
Yakara.
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 Simple.
Hmm.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, Ru preceded by a, followed by a. What will be the adesha?
Yakara.
Yakara.
Yakara only.
Yakara.
Similarly, Ru preceded by ha, followed by e. What is the adesha?
Yakara.
Room preceded by long vowel a, followed by e. What will be the adesha?
Yakara.
Yakara.
You understand? It's
Yes.
simple.
Yes.
Now, room preceded by a, followed by hush. Then
Who?
Yakara.
ukara. Be alert. This is
Ukara.
apavada,
Ukara.
exception.
Ukara.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If room preceded by a, followed by hush, then
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 Yakara.
Then
Yakara.
Yakara. will come.
yakara. That's it. If you know this, then sandhi rule is done. Okay. This sandhi rule is done.
Hmm.
Now, suppose if I say room preceded by e, followed by ach or a, whatever it is, then
No change.
Then.
No change.
don't
No,
say
it's
yakara. Very good. No change because
because
you have to watch only the three. Where is
three.
ikara here? Where is other
Yes.
letter, preceding letter? Not there,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Only when preceded by avarna, I said you have to be alert. Watch for the
Alert.
succeeding
Yes.
letter. When
Yes.
ikara or some other letter, any other vowel comes, nothing, no changes, just remains, that the rule remains as it is. That is repa only. Is it clear?
Yes.
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 Once you, if you know this, then I'll give some examples. You will answer. Okay. Ramaha plus agachat. Tell me.
Ramaha plus room. Plus room.
Ukara. So
Ukara.
Visarga
Ukara.
preceded. Visarga means we know room. Room preceded by
Room,
a,
yes.
followed by.
Oh. Oh.
Therefore,
U.
room will be
Yeah.
replaced by
Ukara.
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 Rama plus u.
Ramo. Yes.
A plus u is
U
Ramo.
plus
Then
Agachat.
Ramo.
Purvarupa.
Purva
Ramo.
Sandhi.
Gachat.
Therefore,
Ramo
Ramo
Gachat.
Gachat.
Ramo Gachat.
Understand?
Yes.
Now, Ramaha Gacchati.
Hmm.
First letter.
Yes. So this also
Yak.
become Ramo
Yakara.
Gacchati.
Not Yakara. Visarga preceded by a, followed by Parulji.
Hush.
Hush letter.
Hush. Hush. Hush.
Pratyaghara is important.
Yes.
Rama plus, then Rama plus u, Ramo. You get?
Gachat.
Ramo Gacchati. Understand?
Yes. Yes. I got
Purvarupa.
it.
Then,
Ramo Gachat.
Ramaha Gachanti. Tell me.
Yakara.
Ramaha. Akara is there, no?
Visarga
Akara
preceded
plus
by a, followed
A
by
plus
hush.
hush.
Then
This will become Yakara.
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 exactly. Ramai, then
Yes.
Gachanti.
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 Then what will happen to Yakara? We know. If you don't know, I will tell you. Now, Yakara at the end of the, this is a padam or not? Is it a
Yes.
padam?
Yes.
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 Because Ramaha is a padam, Visarga replaced by Yakara, this is a padam. Padante Yakaraha asti. Asti va? Asti. Then
Asti.
that Padanta Yakara will become Lopa when followed by a consonant. Okay, that's a rule.
Right.
Adhan.
Therefore, it becomes Rama Gachanti.
Gachanti.
Don't look for the year. Rama,
Yes.
what is Rama? It is Trilika Shabda. No, it is Rama Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Visarga became Yakara. Yakara has become Lopaha. So that rule also you can note. Yakara or Vakara at the end of the Padam when followed by consonant becomes Lopaha. Is it
Lopa.
clear?
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
I will add that rule also. So that is what in fact I have written here. The next rule you see. Yakara Lopaha. Yakara dropped. Right? Yakara is dropped. Yakara will be dropped optionally when followed by vowel. But Yakara must be dropped when followed by consonants. Understand?
All
Here-
consonants, Guruji.
Any
Yes.
consonant follows. Here,
Any.
Ramai plus Agachati, vowel follows. Therefore, Yakara dropping is optional. Suppose if it is followed by consonant, gachati, then yakara must drop.
Drop. So Rama.
What yakara? Padanta. Remember, that is important. Not any. Padanta yakara must drop. Okay. Therefore, here Rama gachanti. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then Ramaha agachanti. Visarga preceded by, followed by, then what will
Yakara.
happen to Visarga? Visarga will be
Yakara.
replaced by Yakara.
Yakara.
Yakara at the end of the Padam.
Padam.
Followed by vowel.
Vowel.
Therefore,
Vowel.
Yakara dropping is
Optional.
optional. If you
Optional.
drop, you will get Rama agachanti. If you don't drop, then Rama yagachanti. Right? After this, can you do Sandhi? Don't do.
No. No.
Because if you try to do, the Yakara will pop up. I told you, remember?
Yes. Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Guruji.
Then,
Guruji, this previous rule we have not done. So can we add that?
which rule?
Yeah,
Rama Yakara.
That will I will add later. Yeah.
Yes.
Yakara dropping, I
Second.
asking, right?
Yes.
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 Yeah. You can note that. We'll see. I'll add it later.
Yeah.
Now, Ramaha. Then A plus Ash, then A, then Ramaha. Agachat. Then Zarga preceded by, followed by,
followed by
Ah.
Would
then
be Yakara. Rama.
again here also it is Yakara. So you will have Rama.
Rama. Agachat.
Agachat. Guruji,
You
we
follow?
had done a Lopa Sandhi rule when we had done Ayadi
Yeah.
Sandhi.
That Lopasandhi, yeah, we have seen the Yakara becoming Lopaha. Yes, the same thing only.
But that we
Naya.
had condition of followed by Ash, no Guruji?
Followed by,
Ash.
Ash.
followed by Ash, right?
Huh.
Ash includes vowels and soft consonants. When
Ah,
vowel
soft
follows,
Yeah.
it becomes Lopaha mandatorily. When
Okay.
Ash follows,
Optional.
when Ash follows, it is Yakara Lopa is optional. When
Huh.
Hush follows, Yakara Lopa is a must. The same thing
So-
I'm telling here. Here it is Ash only.
But this consonant has to be. Acha. Okay.
Consonant has to be soft consonant. We are talking only about
Has
soft
to be.
consonant.
Correct, correct.
Right?
Yes.
So it's same thing.
Hmm.
There we said Ash. Now here also we are saying the same thing only. Ash is equal to vowel plus soft consonant.
Soft
When vowel
consonant.
follow, Yakara dropping is optional. When
Optional.
Hush follows,
It
it is a must.
compulsory.
Must.
Ash is a
Compulsory.
consonant.
Yes, yes,
That's it. That's what I said. When consonant follows, it must drop. Okay.
yes. Correct.
You see, possibility is preceded by A followed by Ha. Preceded by A followed by Ash. Preceded by A followed by Ash. Preceded by A followed by A. Preceded by A followed by A. Any possibility. So therefore, if you know this three, everything is done.
Yes.
Now, let me give another example. Tell me here what will happen.
No, because
Nothing
E
will
is there, so
Yes.
Yes.
No change.
no
Hari.
change.
So Mr. That is no, that is Repa, right? Arir
Repa.
plus
Yeah.
Agachat. Then
Gotcha.
Hari Ragachat.
just to add
Hari
Velan.
Gachat.
Hari Ragachat. Right? Hari Ragachat. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then Guru. Okay, Arihi Gachati, suppose. Then
So harsh letter is
Then
there.
also.
So here
No
will be
change.
No change.
Visarga, I said watch for the preceding letter first.
correct. E,
Or
E.
A.
Is that see, when it is followed by Kar letter, watch for the following letter. You don't have to watch for the preceding letter.
Yes.
When Kar letter follows, don't worry about the preceding. Because when Kar follows, Visarga will undergo change. Sakara, whatever it is, right?
Yes.
But here what follows? soft
It is
consonants.
short letter.
First you watch for the preceding letter, then watch for the succeeding letter. If it is a kar, don't worry about the preceding. If it is not, it means if it is soft consonant, then you have to apply the see what the preceding letter accordingly you have to apply. Understand? See, if ru is preceded by kar letter, if kar letter follows, you don't have to worry about what precedes ru, because kar letter follows and the ru, the repa will be replaced by either visarga or sakara, whatever it is, right? We know. So this is not required. If ru is preceded by any vowel, ach, and followed by soft consonants, then only these rules apply. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, arihi plus gachati, visarga preceded by e followed by
Soft consonant.
soft consonant. Then
No change
no
because
change.
change
Therefore,
will be
becomes
Harir
arihi is
Gachat.
arir.
Gachat.
Therefore,
Harira
arir gachati.
Harir Gachat. Harir Gachati.
So when arir gachati is given, when I ask you to split, you have to split arihi gachati. Understand? This repa is because of the ru is because of the this sakara. Therefore, arihi pratama bhakti ekavachanam. Arihi plus su, the su pratyas become ru. Understand? Okay. Now see this one. Okay, punaha agachati or gachati, punaha agachat. Okay, let me say it simple. Here, tell me.
It will be O, no? Uttvam.
O will, because
Therefore, what will be?
No plus agachat.
Puno plus
Puno.
Agachat.
Agachat.
then
No gachat. Purva rupa.
No Gachat. Purva Rupsan.
Purva. Is it correct?
Yes.
What is punaha?
Avyayam.
Avyaya. And therefore, the visarga is here is not because of
Acha.
su, not because of ru. It is swabhavika repa. And what did I say so far?
Okay.
So far, we have been discussing the changes happening to ru only.
Ru
Ru repa, not swabhavika repa. And how can you replace it by u?
Yes.
Acha.
Yes.
It cannot be. This is wrong then. Understand?
Yes.
So don't get carried away just by the repa or visarga. We have to see the shabda. What shabda is that? It is a avyayam, avyaya padam.
Avyaya.
Therefore, punaha agachat.
Punaha.
You have to see the word. What word is that? Avyaya padam. Therefore, what will happen?
Punaragachat.
Punargat.
Punaragachat.
Punargachat.
Either you can do like this or keep it as it. Not puno. It will not be replaced by ukara. Understand?
Yes.
Then another example. Parulji, understand?
Yes, I got it.
Punar is avyaya.
Avyaya, so you cannot change it.
Avyaya means the repa is
Repa is swabhavik.
swabhavika repa. We cannot apply. That
Swabhavik.
is why ru, I am saying 100 times why. To distinguish from the swabhavika repa.
With repa.
Punaha plus milamaha. Visarga, that is preceded by a, followed by hash. But what visarga is that? Swabhavika
Swabhavik.
repa,
Visarga. So
repa jataha.
Punarmila.
Therefore, punarmilamaha only,
Punara.
not puno milamaha, right?
Yes.
Understand? Similarly, prataha, prataha, uttishta, uttishtatu. Then
Against
Pratara.
Swabhavik
Prataha
Repa
is
only.
Swabhavik.
Swabhavik. So Pratara.
Pratarush.
Prataha.
Trataruttishtatu, right? This is
Pratara.
just a
Yes.
melanam. This is repa, then uttishtatu. You get? Prata, uttishtatu. Understand?
Yes.
You do nididhyasanam on this, then we will do more. We'll do it next class, right? In fact, I didn't prepare. I was not thinking, not prepare. I was not thinking of teaching this. No preparation required, but I was not thinking of doing this. Just thought of reading that Saṃskṛta, that Sandhi file, because you asked, therefore the topic came up. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
I think, yeah, this is a little, little complicated. I won't say, once you understand, it is nothing. Once you understand this thoroughly, then it is nothing. It's
Yes.
only thing what you need to remember, that the three rules which I stated, Uttva
Yes.
and Yakara Adesha.
Yeah.
If this is
Yakara.
understood,
Hmm.
then everything else falls in place, right? This is what you have to understand. And remember, this 3 is, this 1 and 2 are the Apavada to 3.
Yes.
The conditions, this 1 and 2 conditions are included in 3. But don't apply Yakara Adesha because it's Apavada. Uttva. Understand? You need to
Yes.
remember that. Okay.
Guruji,
Yeah.
I had a question. It's not directly related to this, but related to Sandhi. May I ask you, Guruji, now?
Yeah. What can I ask?
So if we had discussed this long back, Guruji, when we were doing Ach plus Varnaha, and then we said that Kutvam does not apply. But can you explain why again, Guruji?
Okay. Ach plus
Varnaha.
Kutvam, we have seen Kutvam, right? Chavarga will be
Yes.
replaced by
Kavarga letter at end of the
Kavarga.
Kavarga.
Corresponding Kavarga.
When?
When followed
end
by
of
her.
Padam.
At the end of the Padam,
Or when followed.
or when followed by Jal. Jal
followed by
letter.
Jal.
Jal.
Followed by Jal, right?
Yes.
So when followed by Jal, here it is not followed by Jal.
But do we consider Ach to be Padam, Guruji?
You can consider Ach to be Padam. It's a technical, you can consider it to be a Padam. Yes.
Then should it not get converted to Ak?
You can say, but if you say Ak Varna, there's a problem. See, Ach plus Varnaha you will not use in the language, right? In the language, you don't say Ach. Varnaha, the grammar only we say Ach plus Varnaha, right? Suppose if I say, it's a good question really. If I say Ak Varnaha, applying, then what will happen? Here I covered all the vowels, but here I am restricting only to the simple vowels. Problem, right? When a rule is stated, when all vowels follow, succeed, something happens, right? Now when you do Sandhi, then it will become it means the rule will apply only for the simple vowels, not for the H letters.
So meaning will change.
Meaning will change. That is why I said this is not in the words of the language. This is grammar language.
Okay.
The grammar language we say Ach Varnaha. Yes. That's why it is.
So then
Otherwise,
then we did Sandhi and we used Jashtvam 1 and we said Ajvarnaha as.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So means my confusion was that when we are using Jashtvam 1, we are assuming that Ach has Padanta status because.
No. You see, Ach is Padam. Ach is what do you mean by Ach?
Ach is Pratyahara, no? All vowels.
Do you use in your Vivahara? Do you talk to your mother?
No.
Bring that Ach, keep that Ach there on the table. It is
No.
all grammar, right? The grammar only it is used. With the grammar Ach, Chakarantaha, all these declinable only in the grammar, not in the Lokika Shabda, the Lokika Shabda, right? Chakarantaha, what linga it will have? Pullinga, Srilinga, no linga.
No linga.
Chakarantaha, just we say, it is declined like Marut Shabda, Ach Shabda. What is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam of Marut Shabda?
Ach. Means Marut.
Here, Ach will be like Marut, Ach only. We don't apply Kuttam there. Please note. In the grammar, when we discuss, Ach, Achau, Achaha only we apply. We don't say, okay, I will apply Kuttam, Ach plus Su. Then Su goes away. Then Chakara is there. I will apply Kuttam. The meaning will change. Here we are talking about all the vowels. If you say Ak means you are restricting only to simple vowels. That's why I said this is a grammatical term. Grammatical term there you cannot apply Kuttam, right? The grammar Panini Maharshi wants to use the word Ach. And there itself, if you apply these rules, then ach will be reduced to a problem. This is
Yes.
don't do that. So I said ach acho achaha. When you decline, it will be like marut shabda. Ach acho achaha, not ak acho achaha. Please note. Whereas if I say a vyavaharika word, watch, for example, that will be vak.
Vak.
There kutam lapli. Watch, vacho, vachaha.
Okay.
Understand the difference?
Yes.
Vak
Yes.
means shabda, vani. You
Yes.
can say bhavatyaha vak, your speech. I cannot say bhavatyaha ach. What is ach? Your ach. What is your ach? What is my ach? It's grammar term, right?
Correct.
Technical term, pratyahara.
Okay.
So there we apply our viveka buddhi discrimination, right? And this is here you cannot apply it. It's a simple logical thing. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Right. We could not do translation, numbers, and then Rashtriya Saṃskṛtam Class study. Everything I kept it open, so I had to close it. Sunday itself took the whole time. Okay.
Yes.
Think about this. Next class we'll see.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
you send the and yakara. What will the heading will be yakara Sunday?
Okay, that will do it. I'll teach you next. Yes. How many are there? Okay. And a few are there. Please read, continue. Let us complete this.
Okay.
I think we are reading 14th. Huh? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please read.
Visarga preceded by a and followed by ach, other than a, replaced by yakara.
Visarga
Example,
will be replaced by yakara, right? Yeah, okay.
yakara. Example, Ramaha plus agachati is equals to Ramaya agachati.
Then yakara will be dropped. Anyway, that I have not written yet. It is going to come. Next one it is. Yeah, please continue.
Yakara dropped.
Yakara,
No
what
further-
yakara? This yakara which has come in the
Padanta
place of
yakara.
room,
Room
that will
be
drop.
dropped.
Yes.
No further sandhi will happen.
Yes.
Example, Ramaha plus agachati is equals to Ramaya agachati. Rama agachati.
After that, you cannot do further sandhi.
Further sandhi. Yes.
Yes. Continue. Next verse.
Visarga preceded by a and followed by ash. Ach plus ash.
Please read.
Replace-
Yes.
Replaced
Visarga
by
will be replaced by.
yakara.
Yakara.
Okay.
Balakaha plus agachanti. Balakaya agachanti.
Oh, here.
So,
Okay. I will add this also. Another example. Balakaha agachanti. Balakaha gachanti also. You can take one more example. Balakai gachanti, right?
yes.
Yeah. Then
Balakaya agachanti.
Balakai gachanti. Yeah,
Yakara
first
drop.
example is following the vowel.
Following
Second
the vowel.
example followed by
Following the
consonant. In both the case, yakara will be. Please read. B.
No, yakara dropped. No
Yeah,
further. Huh?
Read.
No further sandhi will happen. Example, balakaha plus agachanti is equal to balaka agachanti. Balakaha plus gachanti is equal to balaka
Balaka. Gachanti.
So here what happened, yakara? Yakara at the end of the padam
Padam is dropped.
when followed by
Ash letter.
Ash.
vowel or ash. Vowel will be dropped optionally. If it is a consonant, must be dropped
Must
mandatory.
be dropped. Yeah.
So yakara dropped.
Yes.
Okay, that is the rule.
Visarga in
1 minute. This yakara drop here. I will write here one note. Replace me. Okay, here I will write. Dropping of yakara, right, is mandatory when followed by
Consonant.
ash letter.
ash letter, soft.
Ash letter.
Any consonant, whether it, just put ash, our case. Dropping of what yakara?
Padanta yakara.
Padanta yakara.
Padanta yakara.
Here, Padanta yakara. when followed by. Whereas when followed by vowel,
It is
Optional.
optional.
Things.
followed by vowel, it is optional. Understand?
Mm.
This is what
Yeah.
you're asking. Yes, done.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, last one. So 16th one, please read.
Yeah, Visarga in H letter.
Have we done this?
No, no, Guruji.
Yes.
No, we are
Okay,
not
we'll
done
stop
this.
here.
We have
Then
not
we'll
done.
see next class.
Yes.
17th one, already we have done this. Okay, that doesn't no rule. Okay. Preceded by any other vowel, right?
Hmm.
So that no rule it is. Just to make you understand, as though it is a rule I have written. It is inferred.
Hmm.
No,
Yes.
no rule. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll stop here.
Hmm.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You please do the number exercises, huh? Whatever
Yes,
numbers I have
yes.
given. Come prepared.
Yes,
Next class we
Guruji.
will do. Today we could not do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.